In this video, we're going to learn how to add content to a playlist. I'm going to go into the playlist that I created in our last video. And the first thing that you'll see here is on the right-hand side, there's a lot of different types of content that you can add to a playlist. In this video, we're just going to be adding media items, which are images and videos. When you want to assign something to a playlist, you can scroll down to the content that you're looking for and simply drag and drop it into the playlist. Now that I've done that, I can rearrange the order of items in my playlist by using the drag and drop tool. I can use the up arrow to move content one item up, or I can use the down arrow to move it one item down. Every item in my playlist will assume the default duration. I currently have my default duration set to 10 seconds, which means every item in my playlist will play for 10 seconds. I did add a 49-second video, which is why the system is telling me that this will play for 49 seconds. However, if I want something to play for a different duration, I can tap the hourglass icon and manually set a new duration. So all of these will play for 10 seconds. However, this one will play for 5 seconds. When you're done, you can go ahead and hit the publish button. You may also preview your playlist, tapping the preview button. It'll take a few seconds to load, but once it loads, you'll get a live preview of what your playlist is going to look like, so you can validate that it's playing in the correct order and each item is playing for the correct period of time.